A bank not supported error in Klover usually means the app can't establish a secure connection with your financial institution, even if your bank account is working perfectly. By the end, you'll know how to check whether your bank is compatible, reconnect it correctly, and what to do if the problem doesn't go away. Start by confirming that your bank is supported by Klover. Klover relies on a secure account linking service to connect with financial institutions, and some smaller banks, local credit unions, prepaid accounts, or online banking platforms may not be available. If your bank isn't currently supported, the app won't be able to link it regardless of how many times you try. If your bank has connected successfully in the past, completely close the Klover app and reopen it before attempting another connection. Temporary server or synchronization issues can sometimes trigger a false bank compatibility error. Next, verify your online banking credentials. Use the exact username and password you normally use to access your bank through its official website or mobile app. If you've recently updated your password, make sure you enter the new one when reconnecting your account. Now, check your bank directly. Log in through your bank's official app or website. If your bank asks you to approve a login, complete two-factor authentication, answer a security question, or verify a new device, finish those steps first. Banks often require those security checks before allowing third-party financial apps to connect. If your account was previously linked to Klover, remove the existing bank connection if that option is available, then link the account again from the beginning. Creating a fresh authorization often fixes expired or broken connections. You should also install the latest version of the Klover app from your device's app store. Updates regularly include improvements to bank integrations and fixes for connection-related bugs. If your phone has a pending operating system update, install that before trying again. Your internet connection also matters. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to Wi-Fi, and retree the linking process. An unstable connection can interrupt the secure authorization before it finishes. If you've completed every step and still receive the same error, contact Klover support. They can confirm whether your bank is currently supported or whether there's a temporary issue affecting account connections. You can also ask your bank if they recently changed their online banking security or third-party connection policies. To summarize, verify your bank is supported, confirm your login credentials, complete any required bank security verification, update the Klover app, and reconnect your account from scratch. Those steps resolve most bank connection problems. If this guide helped you fix the bank not supported error, like the video and subscribe for more Klover troubleshooting guides and financial app tips.